flour to fry some dumpling. So yes guys, so this is our mackerel. So we are going to pull the mackerel and take out the center bone from the mackerel. This is how the mackerel will eat. Very nice and stuff. So pour out the mackerel in the jar. So now I'm going to remove my center bone from the tin mackerel. So when you eat the mackerel now, you know, char no bone or nothing like that, because this is the way I like to do it. And when I do it like this, I know the people enjoy it and it tastes very delicious. I'm not a fan of mackerel, but I know that when I do it this way, everybody like it. And you know, I think it's more healthy, although them say the bone having well iron and something like that or whatsoever it having. But I believe that when I take out the bone from the mackerel, the food tastes much better. You have to chew and then you have to look for bone, no sir. So we remove the bone from the tin mackerel, and also we are going to do to the sardine as well in order for it to taste awesome. So yes, my people, remember subscribe, like and share. Remember to tell a friend that your girl Otilia is here with another video. So we are frying dumpling and we are looking about thin mackerel and sardine. Yeah. So in order to cut away the rawness from the tin mackerel or the sardine, we add vinegar to it to bring up that flavor. Season going to pot. do that for 5 minutes. So here's my pizza, this done. So I'll put it over there, so I'm going to put on the other pot. Put on the other. So it will be the same process with the sardine. And this is the sardine within the pepper sauce. Oh, that look up in the mouth. Wash off my hand. Alright, so we're going to put in the season in the pot. So I'm going to add some vinegar to this to cut away the rawness. Vinegar. You have to burn it 5 minutes to fry, and then we had our sardine to see there, guys. See there? Put the center bone on the thing. So we're going to put in the sardine now. Don't want to steam it too much, and not too much. Add some black pepper. Yes, when I eat this, I'm going to eat it. I always eat and then like it. And this can make nice sandwich. It's make nice sandwich also with mayonnaise and cheese. Yeah, so you let that fry. We'll add a little tomato, ketchup to it. Yes guys, so we had some ketchup to it. To change the color, I did it for white. So I have a ketchup to it. That's it. That's it. I'm going to turn off the stove. And that's it. So next time I'm going to serve them. Alright. So this is a tin mackerel, guys. Tin mackerel and dumpling. And this is the sardine and fried dumpling. So this, guys. So subscribe, like, and share, and tell a friend that is a girl. But till we have